This is Hoover Dam. I ended up paying the high price of $7 to get in here, but I paid it all in quarters for my ashtray. Because I have like $30 in quarters in there, collected from my travels. So, gotta use them somewhere. Why not on a pointless parking fee? And I said to the lady, I says, "This quarter's okay?" She said, "Oh, $7? I guess. Money's money." So this is it. Pretty amazing. It's huge, actually. I didn't think it'd be this big. What a view over there, huh? Mountains around. Now let's walk over here and see what's on the other side of the dam. Sign here says Men's Desk Doom. I don't really know what that means. Oh well. I guess it's a better view from over here. Well, it looks almost the same on video. Cross the road and look at the other side. I gotta tell you, this side isn't nearly as impressive of a view as the other side. See? Except for these giant deals. These are huge. And there's the time in Nevada time. All right. This seems to be a nice view coming up over here. 1 second. Yes, look at that. That is quite a view. I was surprised by how much security was here. They had car checkpoints and all these cones and everything you gotta go around. Modern civil wonder of the United States. One of 7 selected by the American Society of Civil Engineers. Ooh. And I guess that's all from the Hoover Dam for now. I'll be in Vegas in about an hour. I don't know where I'm staying or what I'm doing. I still don't know if my cousin Dennis is gonna come hang out with me for an extra day or if I'm gonna head over to LA tomorrow afternoon. But we'll see.